Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will upload WordPress website through cPanel. This is our cPanel and this is our domain. So here you see there is no website. This is Ajna copywriting.com domain. So we will upload website on this domain and this is our cPanel and this is our website backup. This is our database file and this is our WordPress website zip files. So go to first we will create database. So here you see MySQL database, click on it. MySQL database is open. Here you see create new database, so you can create database name according to your requirement or instructions. So I write here, this is our database name, and now click on create database. Now here you see edit the database, Ajna database, and click on go back. So here you see this is our database, and now here you see privileged users. There is no user here, and you see this is another database, but here you see this is users. So we can add new user. Ajna database 1, and you can write password here. So now click on create user. Password don't match. Now click on create user, and here you see you have successfully created a MySQL username Ajna database 1. Click on go back, and here you see database and privileged user. Now scroll down and add user to database. So select user this, and this is our database. Now click on add and click on all privilege, and then click on make changes. So you have saved Ajna database privilege on the database, Ajna database. Click on go back. Now here you see this is our database and this is our privileged user. So now go back to phpMyAdmin. We already created Ajna database, and here you see Ajna database. Click on it and you see this is empty. So copy this database name Ajna database and now back to folder, and here you can rename this to database we created like Ajna database. So name is same. So now click on import and then click on choose file, and this is our Ajna database.sql. Click on it and now click on go. So import has been successfully finished, 93 queries executed. So database is imported. Click on structure, and this is our database file, and here you see WP option. So this is our domain name, copy this, and this is our WP options. Click on it and replace this site URL and home URL to your new domain name. So here you see I replace with new domain name. So and now back to cPanel, and this is file managers. Now we will upload WordPress website file in zip format, and this is public HTML, and this is our domain. Basically we are uploading website on this domain, so double click on it and here you see this is empty. So upload file, so you can select file, and this is our file in zip format. Click on it, and here you see file is uploading now. So when it done, it can show here. Still uploading, and when it done, it can show here. Here you see file upload done. This is a zip file. Now right click on it and click on extract, and now extract files. Now file extraction done. Click on close, and here you see this is folder. So double click on it. This is our main directory of this Ajna copy domain. So click on it, and now select all file, select all, and now move this file to main folder. Main. This is ajnacopywriting.com. So we are moving all file in main directory. Move files. So move done, and here you see file. So now we will configure file to database. This is our wp config.php. So we will add that information, database name, database username and password here. Now right click on it, edit, and again edit. So this is our db name. Add db name here, Ajna database, and add dp user here. You see this is database name, add here, and this is username, add here, and add database name here, password. So now click on save changes. So save change done. Now back to website and refresh the website again. Now here you see website upload done and working fine. So in this way you can upload WordPress website file through cPanel. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share. Thank you for watching.